For fast, efficient and punctual gas appliance installations, repairs and servicing and all your domestic plumbing in Birmingham and the West Midlands, call Elite Gas and Plumbing. We're fully qualified, gas safe registered for your peace of mind and no job's too small or too big. We tackle everything from a leaky tap or fitting your gas, fire and surround to installing or repairing a cooker, including boiler repairs, full central heating systems and bathroom installations. We're friendly, polite and our prices are competitive, and we pride ourselves on our punctuality. When we say we'll be there, we will be. Visit us online. For more information, call Elite Gas and Plumbing.